Today, I would like to tell you a story about the girl and the ice cream truck. A girl sits at her bedroom window, looking down at the street. She is waiting for summer. She wants to eat ice cream and go swimming. She wants picnic and strawberries. She is tired of winter jacket and gloves. She is tired of gray skies and snow. Her mother says that summer is far away. Her father says that more snow is coming. Still, she sits in the waiting for some sign that summer is arrived. Just then, she sees an ice cream truck driving down the street. An ice cream truck! The most in summer. She quells. She wants to wear closet and put on her bathing suit and her summer hat. She wants down the streets and outdoor and watch. She looks down and sees her girlfriend in the icy dress. But I saw an ice cream truck, she says confused. She looks up just in time to see the ice cream truck to the corner and pull into the outer area shop. Thank you for nice attention and good morning.